I'm about to do a reverse sear on these two steaks. This will be my first time using this cooking method. Stick around to see how they turn out. What's up guys, my name's Ryan Smith and I appreciate you checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I've got a couple of sirloin steaks here and today I'll be cooking these using the reverse sear method. If you're not familiar with that, it's basically the opposite of what we usually do to cook a steak. I don't know about you folks, but most of the time I just get my grill really hot and I throw it over the coals and get a good sear on it, and then I move it over to the other side and cook it indirectly until it gets up to temp. Well, today we'll be doing that like it says in the reverse order. I'm only going to heat the grill up initially to about 250, 275 degrees. I'll cook these indirectly until they get up to about 120 or 25 degrees. And at that point, I'll go ahead and pull them off and put some fresh charcoal on, get the grill really hot, and then I'll finish those off by giving them a good sear. I'm going to go ahead and prep these two steaks. If you've watched many of my videos, you know that I really like this Lawry's garlic salt. I'm going to use a little of that and some coarse black pepper on them. Just going to coat them pretty liberally. I already took a paper towel and blotted these dry before I started the video. And I know a lot of you just stick with salt and pepper, or maybe some of you like to use different kinds of rubs and things, but this is what I like to put on my steaks. I'm going to put a coarse grind of black pepper on here. Alright, I'll flip these over and do the same to the other side and let them set up just a couple minutes and they're ready to put on the grill. Alright, these are ready to go on the grill now. I only used about a quarter of a basket of charcoal, and I've got this grill at about probably 250 or so. I'll have to maybe readjust the vents when I put the lid back on in a couple minutes, but I'll go ahead and place these on here on the side opposite the coals, and we'll let them go ahead and start cooking. I went ahead and put the lid back on the grill, and I'm going to cook these between 250 and 300, try to keep them in that range, and I'll check back. I don't know, it might take upwards of an hour or maybe less. I don't know. It's the first time I've done this, but probably start looking at the temperature on them after about a half hour or so in. Guys, these have been cooking for just about 45 minutes and sitting on about 300 degrees. I've got me another basket of charcoal lit. I'm going to go ahead and check the temperature on these using my MK4 and see where we're at. $119 on this one. This one's a little over 120. 121. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these and put this other chimney full of charcoal in there and get the grill good and hot, and then I'll put these on for a sear. See you back in a couple minutes. Here's what these guys look like. I've got the grill over 550 degrees. That's as high as my thermometer goes, and it's buried at that, so it's safe to say that it's pretty hot. We'll go ahead and put these over the heat and give them a little bit of a sear. Give those about a minute on that side, and then we'll flip them and get them off of there and see how they taste. We'll go ahead and flip these. Alright, these have seared good for about a couple minutes on each side. We'll go ahead and pull these off. Hope you can see the color. I know this sun might shade it just a little bit. These have got some really good color on the outside of them. I'm going to let them sit here just for a couple minutes and then I'll cut into them. Alright guys, I've let these rest just for a couple minutes. I'm going to cut into one of them and see what they look like. Hope you can see that juice coming out of there. It's juicy for sure. Good flavor. I think I'd cook it this way again. If you've not done this, give it a shot. Just try whatever kind of steak you like. My wife and I like these sirloins. This would work with any kind of a steak. But I hope you give this a shot. I definitely will be cooking this way again. Once again, I appreciate you checking out this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments what you think about the video, how you like to cook your steak. I want to hear, I know this is a topic that a lot of people have a lot of different opinions about. I'd like to hear what you guys season yours with and what your favorite method is. But God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.